Second. Alright, well, have fun. Order. Raw. All the same. Right. Woo! Top or deck or sideline, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Sakamoto. Go ahead.
Well, what's crazy too is I actually pulled, so I had to buy one of each. But I pulled the rest.
Ultimate
Just
filter.
everything up.
Bet.
I go to the ones that I'm always at.
Baby drop. Draw one, trash one. Shiba. For the order.
And I need. Oh, I trashed one. Guess I don't get it.
Shiba.
No. Wrong. I don't really have much going on here. They're all 2Ks. Okay. Not really
Nagumo'd's
have much
just
going on here.
Nagumo'd's just built different.
I don't think there's a reason I don't do this play, but it's kind of lame also. So, meh. I see. Well, that's kind of lame as well.
This is the first one I've ever.
Ooh. I'm just gonna AP draw. I'm gonna play answer. We're gonna do that. Then we're gonna swing 4 top.
Color trigger. Oh.
Go ahead. Really did not like the order of operation. of that
AP
play.
draw. Nagumo'd.
Again.
Bottom.
Okay. Yeah. 2 life. Woo-wee. Nothing. I haven't even seen this card. I don't know
Yeah,
yet.
you saw the alt.
Oh. Needed a color trigger or... I mean, he's useless now. Let's That's your only Sakamoto. Yeah, sure. I don't really have like a play here. Ooh.
I have all the time that I've worked. That's my favorite way.
What kind of drug deals y'all doing over there?
Just some full metal for some full metal.
Wow. Really need a final
You pitched one.
draw. I know. That would be the one I'd only see.
Hey, sure. That's fine.
I don't have much going on here.
This is all of mine.
This is your collection?
Yeah.
You got money right here, right?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Even next turn.
They're perfect condition.
Yeah.
Bottom.
Another special.
3.
Wait, didn't you special something?
I specialed the Diablo.
Oh, I didn't bottom it. That's fine. It's just in trash.
It's fine. You can't get it back anyways.
Yeah. Ray.
No energy.
No energy. You are right.
3.
Okay, just take. I don't really have a turn.
You got Nagumo'd.
I did get rushed out a bit.